This isn't just candy, it's confectionery engineering. Welcome to General Engineering Works, where every machine is built to turn ingredients into excellence, and every process is engineered with precision, power, and passion. Today, we proudly present our fully automated double twist chocolate toffee production line, a modern, efficient, and high-output solution for producing premium chocolate toffees with style and consistency. It all begins with heat, and that heat starts here with the steam boiler. Designed for continuous energy-efficient performance, our industrial-grade boiler supplies steady steam to the entire cooking system. It's the backbone of the operation, delivering controlled thermal energy to power the line smoothly and safely. From the boiler, the process flows directly into the vacuum cooker. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this cooker operates under vacuum pressure to reduce the boiling point of the mixture. It cooks your blend of sugar, glucose, fats, and chocolate at optimal temperature, preserving the flavor and controlling the moisture level. The result? A thick, glossy, and flavorful toffee mass ready for the next phase. Once cooked, the toffee is sent to the pulling machine, a crucial step in enhancing the final texture. The pulling process aerates the mass, introducing tiny air pockets throughout the mixture. This gives the toffee a lighter chew, a creamier mouthfeel, and a bright, attractive appearance. It's particularly important for achieving that perfect balance of firmness and softness in chocolate-based recipes. The pulled toffee is then transferred to the batch roller. This heated rolling table shapes the mass into a thick, consistent rope. The roller ensures an even cylindrical form as the toffee cools slightly, maintaining its pliability and preparing it for precise sizing. The shaped rope enters the rope sizer next. Equipped with multiple calibrated rollers, this machine gradually reduces the rope to your desired diameter. Each pass through the sizer ensures consistent thickness and uniformity across the batch, which is essential for accurate cutting and professional wrapping. And now the final transformation. The sized rope moves into the cut and wrap machine, configured for high-speed double twist packaging. Each piece is cut to the perfect length and immediately wrapped in a tight, elegant double twist. This packaging style is classic, protective, and market-ready. The machine works efficiently with various wrapping materials, including mono or multicolor foils, for full customization of your brand's presentation. Every stage of this line is engineered for hygiene, speed, and durability, with stainless steel contact surfaces, precise temperature control, and minimal product waste. From raw ingredients to wrap perfection, the Double Twist Chocolate Toffee line by General Engineering Works delivers excellence you can taste and efficiency you can rely on. Built for continuous performance, built for quality, built for those who don't just make candy, they engineer it. General Engineering Works.